Salam. In this video we are going to make this contour map using ArcMap and Blender. Okay, here we have our DM. First we have to generate the contours. We go to search, we write contour and we choose the second option. We input the raster and we choose the contour interval. Okay, here we have the contours. We have to export them as shapefile, but first we have to split them. We write split by attribute and we input the contours and we choose the split field, which is contour, and we choose the folder where we want to save them. I will save them here. We will use Blender GIS to import the contours. We press import shapefile and we go where we saved the contours. Okay, here we have our contours from 0 to 3000. We will import them one after one. First the 0, then the 100, and I will import all of them. I will speed up the video. With the last one. Okay, now we have imported all the contours. Okay, as you can see there is no elevation, so now the next step is to give them elevation. We open this window or we can press N. As you can see here the Z is 0, so we give them elevation. We will keep the Z value of the first contour 0, so we go to the next contour. I will give it 0.01 and the second one 0.02 and the third one 0.03, and I will add 0.01 for each contour. I will speed up the video now. Okay, now as you can see we gave them the elevation. To fix the view we go to view and change the clip start to 0.01. Okay, now the next step is to convert the line to curve. Okay, after converting to curve we have to give depth for each contour. We start with the contour number 1. I will give 0.0001. I will give the same for the other contours and I will speed up the video. Okay, now I gave them the depth. We move now to the render viewport, world properties. We make the color black. Okay, the next step now is to give color for each contour. I will group them 3 groups. Okay, first with the contour number 1, I go to material and I add new material. I will change the principled BSDF by emission and I will give the blue color, and I will select from 0 to 700. I select them and I go to object and I press link. As you can see, they took the same color. Now I will give, okay, now I will move to the group number 1. I give material emission and I will choose the light blue and I will select from 800 to 2200 and I press object and link material. Okay, now I go to the last group, emission, and I will choose the blue color. Then I select them, object and link material. Okay, now we go to render properties. We turn on the bloom. We increase the intensity. Okay, now we have done our map. These are the basics of how to make this type of maps. You can change the color and you can change the depth. It depends on what country you choose. Okay, now if you have to export the map, we have to put our camera. We press Ctrl Alt 0. We can change the size of the camera. We go to view and we press camera to view. And to render, we go to render and we press render image. Okay, the render is done and this is our map. You can save it in your device. And finally, if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.